If you guys are using cheap peripherals and you want to know the easiest way to see how much is your battery, to configure your DPI, that kind of thing, you can use this application. It's called Logitech Onboard Memory Manager. As you can see, I can see my battery and my DPI. I can also change my report rate. How to download it? Just basically just have to search on Logitech Onboard Memory Manager and just download it. Just load the newest one and wait for it to get downloaded. As you can see right there, it's quite slow, but you will get it installed eventually. Just wait for it to get downloaded, and then you just have to install it and then open it. There's nothing much really behind it, just install and use it. And yeah, you can basically everything that you need right here, you can find it on here without having to install the Logitech software.